Hi guys, good morning from beautiful sunny Mazatlan. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Dwight Burditt. I make videos on Mazatlan, everything Mazatlan. Any area in Mazatlan from Cerritos right down to El Ferro, our famous lighthouse. I do special events like Semana Santa, the Carnival Parade. I take you to the markets. The market in Juarez, the central market. I take you to some of my favorite little restaurants, the best hamburger in Mazatlan, the best chicken tacos in Mazatlan. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. So this video today, I was up in the Zona Dorada filming, the Golden Zone, the other day, and it's early July in Mazatlan. The city is full of Mexican tourists. You can hardly get a hotel room, especially on the weekends. And I waited for the bus to come home. It was over 100 degrees, and 3 buses blew right on by me, never even stopped. And I understand they're so busy coming down from Cerritos, by the time they get down to Sabalo Centro, there's no room for anybody, so they just keep going. So after waiting for 3 buses that didn't stop, I hopped in a Pulmonia, and that's this film today. Now there was an Auriga, one of the little red rental pickup trucks, in front of us playing loud copyrighted music. There was Pulmonia, the beautiful little Volkswagen sort of oversized golf carts you see running all over Mazatlan, behind us playing copyrighted music. So I added my own music, and I filmed up until we went around the curve of the beach and the wind started blowing in the side of the car, and I thought I was going to lose my hat. My cat wants to be part of the video. Yeah, that's Mouse. Mouse the cat. Say hi, Mouse. So I do videos on cost of living. I've got a couple there, tell you what you can expect to pay for rent. Wow. If you look for bargains, what you can get. Cost of groceries. My girlfriend is a chef de postres, bakery chef, pastry chef. And I do videos about her making authentic Mexican food, Mexican salsa, cakes, the whole works. So anyway, check out today's treat, a ride in a Pulmonia. This cost me 100 pesos, $5. You gotta love it. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Oh, and watch for the Mercedes, the big black Mercedes that sort of plays tag for us. He had a European style license plate I've never seen before. It said BC on it, which I assume is Baja California. I've never seen a plate like that before. Check it out. Here we go.